In this video, we are going to show you the top 8 humidifier for large room in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which humidifier for large room is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 8, HomeLabs Large Room Humidifier. It's a compact item that is capable of providing up to 300 ml per hour of mist delivery. It has a large capacity of 4 liters for long-time use. It features an easy touch controlling which made this modern and easy to use. It makes only 34.4 decibels of noise, which is silent actually. The most important features are live LED indicator for water level, 5x diffuser pads included, 3 mist output, compact and stylish design. Number 7 in our list, Elecoms Warm and Cool Mist Humidifiers. A very efficient humidifier that is perfect for the bedroom. It works with ultra-quiet sleep mode and it does not disturb the sleeping babies. It's a long-lasting humidification system and suitable for large rooms. It adds humidity into the air and also helps to conserve plant moisture. It's a pet-friendly humidifier and allows staying comfortable all day. The most important features are ultra-quiet sleep mode, auto shutdown, night light on off, perfect for baby room, bedroom, and living room. Moving of our list at number 6, Dowtronics TTAH018 Warm and Cool Mist Top Fill Humidifier. A smart humidifier that works with both cool and warm mist. The cool mist works for longer humidification and the warm mist works for faster humidification. You can easily personalize the settings in order to get exceptional performance. It works with 3 mist levels and sleeps mode. The most important features are top fill design, easy to refill and clean, 45 hours continuous mist, 5.5 L water tank capacity. At number 5, Elecoms UC5501 Ultrasonic Humidifier. If you need a humidifier with a large water tank capacity, this one will be suitable for you. It is designed with a water tank size of 6L and it offers 40 hours of continuous working time, high mist output from 100 ml H to 550 ml H. You can use it in sleep mode and the LED will turn off automatically in sleep mode. The most important features are suitable for large room, intelligent humidity sensor, ultrasonic cool and warm mist, perfect for all aged people. Here is the item number 4, Levoit Humidifiers for Bedroom. A safe and easy to use a humidifier which is made of BPA-free materials and made this safe for babies. It has a 4L water tank and provides up to 40 hours of runtime without refilling. It is designed with a handle for easy carry and movement. When the water tank is empty, it will turn off automatically. The most important features are quiet operation, auto shut off, dry burn protection, watertight protection design. The item number 3, Levoit Humidifiers for Large Room Bedroom. A smart and reliable humidifier with versatile useful features including long-lasting performance, powerful output, easy remote control, and so on. This humidifier can be used in both cool and warm mist for your comfort. Designed with a large 6L water tank capacity and it is easy to refill the tank. The most important features are auto shut off, powerful coverage, quiet operation, both warm and cool mist. Number 2 in our list, Morocco Cool Mist Humidifier 26 decibels Ultra Quiet. One of the most efficient humidifiers for your room that allows adjusting the direction of the cool mist for a specific place as you want. Designed with convenient carry handle for easy carry. It helps to get better sleep, alleviate stuffiness, and relieve dry skin. It improves air quality efficiently. The most important features are whisper quiet operation, step-less dial knob, filter-free operation, visible water gauge. The top one in our list, Dowtronics Cool Mist Humidifier. A great item with many useful features as you expect from the best humidifier for a large room. It reduces virus, calm cough, fresh air, relieves rhinitis. It will provide fresh air for the whole day. The 4L water tank capacity if large enough for up to 30 hours continuum mist. The most important features are automatic humidity monitoring, multi-purpose item, 3 mist levels, night light and sleep mode. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best humidifier for large room amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.